In this video, we're gonna be reviewing the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure microphone. First, let's talk about the price. This mic retails for around $289, and in the box, you'll get the microphone, a leather pouch to store the microphone, a windscreen, a custom shock mount, and a magnetic pop filter. Going over the specs, this is a condenser microphone, so it requires phantom power from an audio interface to work. It has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it's most sensitive from the front and it's going to reject sound coming from the back. It also has a self noise of only 7 dBA, which is pretty low. And when looking at its frequency response, it does have quite a bit of a treble boost, giving this microphone a bright sound. So now let's do some audio tests so you can hear this microphone in action. You're listening to the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure, and this is what the mic sounds like without any post-processing. Now you're listening to the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure with a bit of EQ and compression, and this is how the mic sounds fully mixed. Step inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? So what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend this mic to? Before I share them with you, if you enjoy reviews like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting with the pros, this microphone kit comes included with some really nice accessories, so you do get a lot of value for the price. And speaking of accessories, I'm a huge fan of the custom shock mount and pop filter because as you can see, they don't take up a lot of space in the camera shot, making it perfect for content creators. In addition, because of its signature bright sound, it excels at recording instruments like the acoustic guitar because it makes them sound full of detail without having to do anything in post-production. Also, it can be a great choice for capturing singing vocals if you're looking for a microphone that can cut through a mix. Of course, it can also be used for other applications such as professional voiceover. However, there's a caveat to that which I'll talk about later in the video. But moving on to the cons, even though the magnetic pop filter has an innovative design, it doesn't do a good job with plosive rejection. For example, Peter Piper plays Pokemon, and I think it's because it's so close to the actual capsule of the microphone, so if you want to avoid plosives, you either have to record with the microphone at a 45-degree angle so the air doesn't hit it directly, or you're just gonna have to spend an extra $10 on a standard pop filter. Also, because it's an overly bright sounding microphone, it's not going to complement bright voices with a lot of sibilance. In fact, because of its treble boost, it's only going to accentuate sibilance even more, which can be fatiguing to listen to for long periods of time. For that reason, I don't recommend this microphone for long-form spoken word applications, such as podcasting or voiceover for audiobooks. But with all that being said, I think the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure is one of the best sounding microphones that you can buy for under $300. And in my opinion, it excels at music production. If you want to buy this microphone, the link is down in the description below. And if you also want to learn how to mix vocals recorded on this exact microphone model, then make sure to click on this video.